Avoid overuse. Mastering adverbs of time. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lesson on our journey to mastering English grammar. Today, we're focusing on adverbs of time, particularly the common mistake of overusing them. Remember, adverbs are crucial for providing more information and clarity in our sentences. However, their overuse can lead to unnecessary repetition and confusing sentences. Let's dive right in. Before we delve into overuse, let's quickly recap what adverbs of time are. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. Examples include words like yesterday, now, later, soon, tomorrow, and so on. They are flexible and can be used at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. For example, I will study later. Tomorrow is my birthday. I am going shopping now. Now, let's talk about the overuse of adverbs of time. Overusing these adverbs often makes your sentences redundant and can confuse your audience. For instance, I will do it tomorrow in the future. Tomorrow already implies the future, making in the future unnecessary. By limiting the use of adverbs of time to necessary instances, you'll keep your sentences concise and clear. So how do we avoid this common mistake? Here are a few tips. 1. Be precise. If you've already mentioned when an action will take place, there's no need to repeat it. 2. Beware of redundancy. Pay attention to whether your adverb of time is repeating information already conveyed. 3. Practice. The more you use adverbs of time in context, the better you will become at recognizing when they are necessary and when they are superfluous. Let's put these tips into practice. Try to identify the redundancies in the following sentences. 1. I will call you later in the afternoon. 2. We will soon be leaving shortly. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any aspect of language learning. That's it for today's lesson on adverbs of time and the common pitfall of overusing them. Remember, while adverbs of time can enhance our sentences, they should be used wisely to avoid redundancy. As always, keep practicing and never hesitate to revisit previous lessons if you need a refresher. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing your English skills.